Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Farmville game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Farmville game on your device and proceed forward with completing the basic tutorial levels. Once you have completed these levels, you will gain access to the menu as well as the settings button. However, if you tap on settings at the top right and check within settings, you will not find any option to change the language. So if you wish to change the language for the game, then you will need to change the language for your phone as well. So open up your phone settings and then use the search box to search for language. Once you find the language option, tap within app languages and see if you can find the Farmville 2 game. If you cannot find the application within this page, then tap on language and then tap on add language to add your preferred language into your system. Once you have added your preferred language, just tap on it, and once it has been selected, your phone interface will change into this language as well, and it will also transfer onto all of your apps, including the Farmville 2 game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Farmville 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.